Salamat po, entry number 3. Let's welcome our entry number 4. Salamat po. Entry number 4. Our last entry for this morning is entry number 5. Thank you very much, last contestant. Today, before we continue with the awarding of the winners for the third music competition, may I allow to ask the presence of the members of the board of judges for the inter-school bilag contest, Ma'am Ami Gunay, Sir Ansel Manyo, and Attorney Bo Rocco for the awarding. Dito po kayo sa... Ako na ma-announce? For the inter-school bilag contests, our consolation winners goes to Naga Central School. Anybody from Naga Central School? Anybody? Anybody from Naga Central School? Sa vlog po ito, vlog. Another consolation winner goes to Pacol Elementary School. Vlog po, vlog. Vlogging.
Oh, hello there! I'm Chris Nathan and welcome to my channel.
So yung consolation prize natin will receive 2,000 pesos each. For the third place goes to Jose Rizal Elementary School. The contestant will receive 4,000 pesos.
Your vlogger Nakitay. For today's video, we will talk about Bicol's distinguished son, none other than Raul Esquo. Please tonight, sir. Where is the
Congratulations po.
Let's go there, my friends.
Our second place for inter-school bilag contest goes to Calawag Elementary School with
Hi
an
everyone,
average
my
rating
name
of
is Denise Christine P. Gomez and you can call
Yung
me
third
Kate.
place natin is
Now, I am here to help you know
90.67%.
more about Raul Rocco's life. Sunday, October 26, 1941. The best president the Philippines never had, the pride of Bicolandia, was born. He was
Congratulations po. Our first place for this year inter-school bilag contest, magre-receive po siya ng 8,000 pesos, goes to Tabuco Central School.
Hello everyone! Welcome
Congratulations
to
po
our
sa
vlog.
mga coaches.
My name is Regina and
Thank you
my
very
name is
much po
Judith
for
Faith.
participating.
We are
Next
very
year ulit.
excited because today will be a very special episode.
Thank you very much po. Thank you very much, sir. At this juncture, may I request to give us a short message for the occasions the wife of the late Senator and Education Secretary, Madam Sonia Roco, for a short message.
Maray na aga sa Indogabos ng mga padangat na Bicolano ni Raul S. Roco. Ngunyan, birthday, 81st birthday ni Raul Roco. 18th Raul Roco Day. Pagka sinabi mong 81 years old, ayaw nila yon, gusto nila baliktarin para 80 na lang, di ba? So anyway, kami ng anak ko, si Bobby, at yung apo ko na si Rob Rob, nandito kami para samahan ang mga Bicolano sa pagdiwang ng kanyang kaarawan ngayon. Siyempre, wala na siya dito, pero nandito pa rin dahil naaalala natin siya, di ba? Palakpakan natin si Raul S. Roco. Unang-una ay magpapasalamat ako sa Naga City Government led by Mayor Legacion. Siyempre, wala siya dito ngayon, ano? Na-busy na naman. Anyway, dahil sa pagsuporta dito sa activity natin ng Raul Roco Day. Nag-umpisa ito ng paglalagay ng mga bulaklak doon sa kanyang sa Santo Niño. Tapos, ang nagkamisa ng 8:30 sa Roco Library. Ang galing ng choir. Palakpakan po natin sila. Dapat palibutin yung choir na yon kasi habang kumakain, kumakanta pa sila eh. So how can you eat and sing at the same time? They were doing it. Anyway, I'd also like to thank the Roco Library, Raul S. Roco Library, whose chief librarian is none other than Rico Vinluan. Siya po yung the living spirit of Raul Roco here kasi tuwing Raul Roco Day, siya yung nag-organize ng mga contest, siya yung nag-ano ng vlogger, siya lahat. Kaya, at saka yung staff niya sa library, palakpakan po natin sila. Alam niyo po, isa sa mga natutunan ko kay Raul Roco, para na akong vlogger dito, no? ay he was fond of going back to his roots. Ibig sabihin, pinanganak siya dito at nung pumunta na siya ng Manila, tuwing gusto niya mag-replenish ng energy, kung gusto niyang maghanap ng tahimik, no, ng peace, dito siya pumunta sa Naga. Dito siya, kami, pamilya niya, natutunan namin na magpunta sa Carolina para mag-swimming. Ngayon, itong mga anak ko, panikwason. Yan ang meron dito na wala sa jungle of Manila or Quezon City. So he would come back here and replenish his energy. At talagang sinabi niya na gusto niya dito siya ilibing. Kasi nung pumanaw na siya, sinabi nila gusto ba niya ilibing sa libingan ng bayani. Siyempre, bayani rin siya, pero request niya, babalik siya dito sa Naga. Kaya nandyan siya sa Santo Niño. Kasama natin dito. At yung pagbabalik po sa ating pinanggalingan ay nandyan din, di ba? Kahit na gaano kahaba ang prosesyon sa simbahan din. ang katutunguhan. So, ganon din po si Raul Roco. Ang pangalawa po ay the legacy that he left behind. Lahat po tayo, gusto natin na meron tayong maiiwan na alala kung paano tayo gustong maalala. At siyempre kanina, binanggit ni Father yung kanyang mga achievements. Oo, high achiever po si Raul Roco. Hindi lang high achiever, nagmamadali pa. Parang gusto niya mangyari lahat yung gusto niyang pagbabago. Hindi naman ganun ang buhay, no? Minsan hanggang ngayon, yung mga pagbabago na gusto niya mangyari, hindi pa rin nangyayari. Kaya tayo na ang gagawa noon. So he had the legacy of achievements. Nasa private sector siya, he was a warrior, lawyer, and an excellent one. Nung nag-public service po siya, as legislator, congressman, and senator, and as Secretary of Education, he really did his excellent best. Kung ano po ang nakita niyang kabutihan upang ikabubuti ng ating mga Pilipino, hindi lang sa Naga, hindi lang sa Manila, kundi sa buong Pilipinas, ay ginawa niya yon. Reforms in education, reforms in the laws. Yun po ang kanyang legacy of achievements. Pero, tulad po ng ibang tao, siyempre, kayong mga bata na rito, no? Nandiyan pa kayo sa panahon ng aspiring, na nangangarap, nananaginip, ano pa kaya ang gagawin ko paglaki ko? So you aspire, which he also did. In fact, he aspired and he said, gusto ko maging papa. Hindi yung papa sa Vatican. Ang nangyari, naging papa siya sa bahay. Tapos, ginawa niya lahat na maka-inspire siya. He was asked, what do you want people to remember you for? Ang sinabi niya, that I was able to inspire, to motivate, to elevate, no, to raise the level of service to others. Yun, inspire, and before we expire. So meron po tayong purpose dito sa buhay na ito. At sa buhay niya, makikita natin, he lived out the values of honesty, integrity in governance, and the virtues of excellence. You can only be excellent if you are humble, if you have humility, and lalong-lalo na, isa sa pinaka-gusto niyang lahat tayo ay maging good readers. Kita mo yung malaking picture niya na nagbabasa ng libro. Nung nandito siya, nabasa niya lahat ng libro ng Naga Library. Nung naging siya, senador, binigyan niya ng pondo, kaya merong Raul S. Roco Library. So yun na, mga kabataan na narito, sa edad nyo ngayon, magbasa kayo. Dahil sabi niya, kung kayo'y nagbabasa, you stand on the shoulders of giants and you see farther than the rest. So yun, ang parati kong natatandaan at yun din ang gusto namin gawin. Kaya sa November, partner po tayo ng Naga City. We are going to start the Raul Roco Living Library na maglilibot, mobile library, para talaga magkakaroon ng consciousness ng pagbabasa. Dahil ang tingin ko, kung hindi po kayo makapag traditional education, formal education, kung marunong kayo magbasa, makakausad kayo sa buhay. You can go forward with life. So, in summary, nilagay niya itong kanyang mga values sa isang kanta na kinompose niya, yung Kaunting Dasal. At anong sinasabi nito? Kaunting sipag, kaunting aral, kaunting dasal, at tayo ay magtatagumpay. Kaya po, tandaan po natin itong mga unti-unting mga pag-aalala natin kay Raul Roco na paboritong Aki ng Bicol. Doon sa mga iba, nung may ibang taon, Pride of Bicol. Doon sa mga vloggers, Distinguished Son. So kahit na ano pang adjective ang lalagay nyo, si Raul Roco, naalala pa natin hanggang ngayon. Happy birthday, Raul. Happy birthday. At salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you, ma'am. So, andito na po sa akin ang result. May I request the members of the Board of Judges to please join me here in the stage for the awarding. Sir, actually, congratulations po sa Gabos. Salamat po for participating in the third music competitions. Also, we'd like to acknowledge, invite po natin si Ma'am for the awarding. Ma'am Son. Consolation. For the consolation prizes, with an average score of 88%, at yung isa is 84.67%. The first consolation winner goes to Pacol Elementary School. Anybody from Pacol? Ma'am? Sige po. Tama na. So ang ating school principal is Ma'am Bing Calino for Pacol Elementary School. For our another consolation winner with goes to Tinago Elementary School. Our principal is Ma'am Weng Tabilo. Pwede ko ba malaman ang mga coaches para magpasalamat? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you very much po. Congratulations. And for the third place goes to Grandview Elementary School. So yung school will receive 5,000 pesos. Salamat po sa pag-participate. Congratulations po. Yung ating coach for Grandview Elementary School is Miss Arlene Mali. And for the second place goes to Naga Central School 1. School will receive 7,000 pesos. Ating coach po is Miss Marilyn Ariola. Congratulations po. For the third place po, we have 90%, 90.66. And for the second place, 91%. Congratulations po. Salamat. Thank you very much po. And our champion with the score of 92.33% goes to Morada Ramos Elementary School. The cash prize will receive 12,000 pesos. Thank you very much po. Ang ating principal po ay si Ma'am Cheryl Bue, and our contest coach is Miss Gina Napay. Thank you very much po. Thank you very much, ma'am. again, upon consultation with the members of the Board of Judges, wala po tayong second place. So meron po tayong tie for the first place for the Naga Central School 1 and Morada Ramos Elementary School. Congratulations again. Ayusin po natin yung arrangement after the program. Again, salamat po. Thank you very much, judges, for the immediate response from the comments of the Ma'am Areola. Sa gabos pong principal and schools, thank you very much. Congratulations again. Third place consolation prize goes to Pacol Elementary School and Tinago Central. Our third place goes to Grandview Elementary School. And again, there are two winners for the first place, Naga Central School 1 and Morada Ramos Elementary School. Congratulations po. Congratulations.